Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, your word of the day is in manifestation of light. You have developed your gifts. You have developed yourself. So now you are the lighthouse. You are now the safeguard. You are the torch that is leading everyone out of their danger, their wilderness, into a place of peace. Your gifts are making way for you. Your gifts shall provide you not only financial stability, but mental, emotional stability. This is who you are. You discovered who you are, and it's going to make a world's difference. I need you to continue to move forward because I need you. The whole entire world needs you and is rooting for you because your success is the success of the world because you're bringing something new, healing, teaching that we all need that will evolve the whole culture and evolve the entire human race. So continue to move forward. I want to say congratulations. I see the beauty within me. And I make sure that I congratulate myself and I acknowledge that every day. I grow and develop my inner self in harmony with light and with beauty. I free myself from negativity. My heart transforms into something beautiful. My intellect shines because I am a genius and my inner light grows. As you grow, you become stronger. That means more blessings come your way. From the shed to the mansion, to the skylines, to the loft, to the penthouse, you can receive more blessings because you are working hard to be able to maintain them. It'll feel like a feather, not a ball and chain. Positive blessings carry their own weight. And when you're willing to do the work, you're able to be trusted with that because you'll be able to maintain it. It's not about sustaining and surviving in life. It's about living life, enjoying life. And then once you get your blessings, of course, sustain that. But it's not about survival. It's about living and enjoying life and all the beauty within it. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.